Hey fellas, I got another package from the Amazon Fulfillment Center marked gift inside, and of course I had to open it up. I wasn't expecting a second package from Vitaly, but here you go. I got this, and he sent me 3 or 4 other really interesting locks. Of all of them, I think this is about the heaviest duty one. This is a Stanley, looks to be a, I don't know, a 6-pinner, high security, grade 5, whatever that means. Pretty heavy duty. This thing has a spinner and like the armored plate here. It's not going to affect us in the least when we try to pick it. In fact, let's do that now. I don't think we need to even take this thing out of the box. We'll just pick it as is if we can clamp it up. There we go. Alright, let's try some, turn this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to line that disc so it's not in our way. Put a top of the keyway in there and slide it to the rear. I'm using a standard hook but in the thin version because it's very paracentric keyway on this Stanley. All the way to the rear, little tension. Let's find the binder. 5. That was 3. The pick got stuck there in the keyway. No security pins, at least so far. They're all standards. Of course, I've only got 3 of them picked. All the rest of them have kind of bound up on me. But we'll take a chance. Oh, there it is, 6. No wonder, it's all hiding in the back. Double check 1. He hides behind that tension wrench sometimes. Screws me up. It's the only downside about using top of the keyway. You got to pay attention to that number 1. You might be trying to pick your tension tool. Well, I've got 4 that have bound up. There he was, number 6. Had bound up, but didn't quite want to go. So there you go. Got to open on the, on the Stanley Security 24/7 professional grade hardened steel security lock. Vitaly, thank you for the lock. Didn't need the key, but we got this baby open. Stay safe, gentlemen. Stay legal.